Look at that side marker. Today, we putting headlights on Scarr, man. Yes, sir, man. It's time for these to go. Look at that side marker. Disgusting. Come on, man. So those gotta go. So today's video, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We're gonna make it short, funky. This is a quick, easy installation. Not gonna take long. It's not like that diff job. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these headlights on. Smash the like, hit the subscribe. Let's truth. Yeah. The new greatness. So this is the new light. I still got the plastic on because I don't want to take it off till I get all the way on the car. But as you see, we got the LED bar and they all clear, so that's gonna be a whole lot better than that. So let's go ahead, let's get it. If you didn't know, I'm about to show you how quick it is with Mustangs to remove the headlights. Easy work. Literally can do it in a few seconds. How long was that? Of course I broke it. Not even 30 seconds. Got the headlights in, and man, I must say, that's a big difference. I went with the clear side markers with the all clear ones, just to be a little different. And I must say, man, Scarr looks so much better, man. Headlights, woo, really wake your car up, man, when you got some headlights. That view with the lights on. And there we go. LED headlights. My opinion, looks so much better. So let me go ahead and turn the fog lights on. Like, wow, there's the fog lights. Look at that. Wish you could have seen it before, because I had no fog lights. Those are LED fog lights to go with the LED DRLs. And I guess it's only right to turn on the headlights, so let you see what it look like with those. Oh no, not the yellows. Now you can see it. No go. So those of you that made it this far in the video, you know what's coming next. I'm popping in them LED headlights, and I'm gonna give y'all the before and after. But before we do that, y'all know, smash that like, hit the subscribe, man. Join the family, join the channel. It all helps, all support. We're over 200 subscribers, so join the family. We out.